All right, it's day 3. We're headed out. We're headed down the river, day 3. And all right, what we got, Eddies? All right, hang tight, guys. Going in. All right. All right, straight now. Anyway, day 3, guys, and no worse for wear here. We coming back to the drop-off point. It's been a nice long ride. We only got a little bit of rain. It never rained when we were at camp, so that was great. It only rained a little bit when we were on the river, but really good time. I really enjoyed myself. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, we're just having a freaking blast here. So anyway, all right, guys, thanks.